Hello, welcome to another episode of Mr.A tutorials. Today we'll be creating this piece here. It's called the coupler. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go to File, open up a new file that is going to be in English, units, standard inches.ipt. Create. We're now going to start a 2D sketch on this XY plane here. We're going to start by drawing a very large circle at 16 inches. Enter. Finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude this circle by 1 inch. So extrude this by 1 inch, enter. I'm going to start a new 2D sketch on the face of this right here. Make a circle. This circle here is going to be 9 inches. Finish sketch, and this extrusion is going to be 4 inches. I'm now going to go to the back part of this circle here. Start a sketch on the back side. Create a circle, and this circle here will be 6 inches. Go ahead and finish sketch. Extrude this 4 inches, but we're going to do an extrude cut in that direction. Press OK. And we're going to go ahead, go back to the front of this. Start a sketch here in the front. Create a circle. This circle will be 4 inches and will be extruded 1 inch. It will be an extrude cut of 1 inch. And then, if you did it correctly, you should be able to see through the middle here. One of the final things we're going to do is we're going to start a 2D sketch on this face right here. I'm going to start by drawing a 12-inch circle that's going to serve as my guide for this other little circle I'm going to create. I'm now going to create a little circle, place it right there. This circle will be 2 inches. And notice how down here at the bottom it says I need a dimension. So the way we're going to do that, we're going to eliminate that dimension that's needed, is by doing a vertical constraint. We're going to go ahead and line up this center dot with this dot here at the center of this. Notice how now my object is fully constrained. Finish sketch. I'm going to do an extrude cut of both of these pieces here of 1 inch. Press OK. And then I'm going to use a circular pattern command. Click on that feature right here, this hole. Go to the arrow, this is rotation axis. Click right here in the middle. And I'm going to need 4 of these. Make sure you go all the way 360. Press OK. And there you go. That's how you create this coupler piece. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.